In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and tausabschroich.wordpress.com. We'll walk through a clear path that starts with a quick Google search and ends with opening the Jetpack plugin page on WordPress. I'll add useful context along the way so you know exactly what you're seeing and why it matters. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type WordPress and press Enter. You'll see results for both WordPress.com and WordPress.org. For this walkthrough, we're using WordPress.com, which handles hosting and gives you a centralized dashboard. Click the official WordPress.com result to continue. Once the WordPress.com interface loads, look for the option labeled Manage Sites. This is your hub for switching between websites and accessing each site's tools. If you land in a site editor screen, no problem. Just find Manage Sites in the navigation to return to your site list. Clicking it will show you all the sites connected to your account, and it puts you in the right place to reach your site's settings and plugins. From there, locate the Plugins section. On WordPress.com, Plugins appears in the sidebar for plans that support adding or exploring plugins. Selecting it opens the plugin directory within WordPress.com, where you can browse featured options or search for something specific. This is useful for discovering tools that expand your site's security, performance, and growth features. Now use the search bar in the plugin directory and type exactly Jetpack, WP, security, backup, speed, and growth. Jetpack is a well-known suite from Automatic that bundles security scans, backups, performance boosts, and traffic insights in one place. Typing the full name helps you land on the correct listing quickly, especially since there are many plugins with similar keywords. When the results appear, find the Jetpack, WP Security, Backup, Speed, and Growth entry and click it. This opens the plugin's detail page where you can review what it does, see screenshots, check recent updates, and read user ratings. Take a moment to note compatibility information and the feature breakdown so you understand exactly how it can help protect your site, accelerate page loading, and support audience growth. The Details page is the best place to confirm you're looking at the official plugin and to learn about any plan requirements on WordPress.com. And that's it. You've moved from a simple Google search to your WordPress.com site management area, opened the plugins directory, searched for Jetpack by its full name, and accessed its details page to evaluate features and fit. Thanks for following along, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher.